What up, guys? Big Box Breaks, Decre.com. Break number 439 is filled. Appreciate it. So if you don't get a hit in this break, you're going to be entered into a free spot random in my next break. Probably do another Series 2 since O-Pee-Chee Platinum's vanished from the face of the earth. So, as always, 3 times on the teams. Got Senators on the bottom. Snoop Dogg Senators. Smashville on top. And there are the teams. Let you guys take a look at those. And people in the break. 3 times. We got Seltzer on the bottom. B.S. Bjorn on top. I'm going to make this bigger. Put this together. And always, I do put this in the description below. So BB Bjorn, you got the Predators. And Jar Bureau, appreciate it, you bought half the box. So Calgary, Edmonton, Montreal, Seattle. Burr, you got the Capitals. Columbus goes to Skmos 57. Stars, Hurricanes, Jarabro 0. St. Louis is B558 Bjorn. Wild is Snake 28. Red Wings is Jarbrior 0. Tampa Bay is Guarmo 57. Sabres is Burr. Toronto is Skmos 57. Andrew, you've got the Knights. Jar, Chicago. Skmos 57. The Avalanche. Islanders, or Kings, sorry, goes to Jarbo 0. Andrew 8, the Islanders. All $it. Ducks. Jarbro, you got the Penguins. The Devils. Arizona goes to 558 Bjorn. Kev Palm, the Canucks. Florida goes to all $it. Bring this up. Rangers goes to Thomas. Flyers goes to Seltzer. Jar, you've got the Sharks, Bruins, and Jets. And the Ottawa Senators, Seltzer. So those are the teams. And as always, off to spot 2, bust the box. Okay, let's get going. Let's kill myself again. Sharp. Oh my goodness. There. Okay, let's start. Pass it on. We got a welcome to Columbus. Columbus hit. First young gun is Nikita Okatkatan, New Jersey. New Jersey Devils. Have we got this one yet? Grads. Nashville. This is 2014. We got a superscript. No, Superstar Honor Roll. That's what they're called. I always thought this was a superscript. Ducks. Jacob Perreault. What do we got? We got a canvas. Oh, nice. Dylan Holloway, Oilers. Program of Excellence. That's a nice hit. Oilers hit. Program of Excellence. These are nice. Didn't we get an Owen Powers a couple boxes ago? That's a nice hit. Canvas Program of Excellence. Canvas again, sorry. Split them wrong there. Arizona. Dyson Mayo. I think he's with the Vegas organization now. Pittsburgh. Gensel. Instant Impressions. Young Gun, looks like for Washington. Lucas Johansson. Washington Capitals for Young Gun. Two down. Hopefully we get 6 more. Oh, that Holloway's pretty sweet. Welcome to Columbus again. Was one of them gold? Let's take a look here. Let's see. Columbus. Wow. Looks exactly the same. Congratulations, Columbus. Going for the non-rainbow. Oh, nice. Count 500. Dylan Guenther. These are nice cards. With 500 of them made, which is nice. Nice little insert. Arizona, Guenther. Really, Guenther and a Holloway. Got Shafi. Minnesota, sorry. Halfway point here. Young Gun here. Flyers. Lindell. Lissell. Reading is my best trait. Flyers, Young Gun. French, I think. Yeah, French, Winnipeg. Another Young Gun here. Kings, Clark. LA Kings. Honor Roll, Flyers. Bobby Brink. Ooh, we got a blue thingy. Fluorescence. Highlights. Quinton Byfield. These are cool. I haven't seen one of these ever. Acetate. Quinton Byfield. Cool box. Quinton Byfield. Cool. What a box. Holloway. Gunther. And we got a Calder. Seattle. Right for Calder. It's a nice insert too. One hell of a box. And a canvas here. Alex Ovechkin. Canvas. Coverman. Another canvas. Detroit. Lucas Raymond. Detroit canvas. Young gun here. Minnesota. What is this guy? It's Lizotte. Minnesota young gun. I don't know. Get at least, I think, one more young gun. Honor roll or portrait. Tracy. Dazzler. Caden Gummel. How about his 4-night performance last night? Second last pack. Another welcome to. Wow. Hopefully it's not Columbus, or hopefully it's Columbus. STL fucking Blues. This one's dark. I don't know if it's a variant or not. Last pack. And we did get a young gun. Nice. Dylan Gunther. Arizona. Okay. This has been the best box yet, I think. So, let's go back to the spot, do the round for the free spot in my next break. Okay, let's go through our hits. So, grads, one. Welcome to St. Louis. And welcome back to Columbus. There's no difference between those two cards, which is weird. Honor rolls. French. Portrait rookies. Dazzler. Calder. Machine right. This guy. Okay, and canvases. Mayo. Ovechkin. Raymond. Okay, now our young guns. Gunther. Lizotte. Clark. This guy. Johansson. Him. Now we're. This is a great box, actually. Holloway for the Oilers. And this guy, these are cool. That's a cool card. Highlighters. So, fortunately, 4 people got completely shut out. Actually, Andrew, both of your spots got shut out. Let's go like this. Okay, so 3 times, person on top will get free spot in my next Series 2, which I'll post up probably after the weekend. So, 2, Thomas. So, appreciate it, guys. Check out bigboxbreaks.ecrater.com. Yeah. Well, Peachy Platinum, February 30th at this point. But I'll get this out and SPA out by Monday. And thanks for the wait and appreciate it. And have a great week.